A very happy good morning to all. I am Pratika Gupta of class 10th B. On this Independence Day, I feel myself privileged to give a speech on the topic New India, a Better India. New India can be built by thinking new thoughts, making new policies, and implementing those policies with a patriotic fervor. India has the potential of becoming one of the most advanced and progressed countries of the world. The most dynamic factor in a country is the human resource. If India is to achieve all its developmental goals, the human resource must be highly efficient and creative. The second most important thing is the optimal utilization and the management of resources. The optimal utilization of the best of resources by the best of professionals results in creating something new. If a country has this blend, then nobody can stop it. And I can very proudly say that my country India is developing, and it is one of the fastest growing nations of the world. India has the largest postal network in the world with over 1,55,015 post offices. India has the wettest inhabited place in the world, that is Mawsynram, a village on the Khasi Hills in Meghalaya. It has the highest cricket ground in the world with an altitude of 2,444 meters, the Child Cricket Ground in Himachal Pradesh. Indian Kabaddi team have been undefeated throughout the tournaments. It has also won all Kabaddi Cups till date. India is the world's second largest English-speaking nation and has the largest number of vegetarians in the world. It is the world's largest producer of milk, and the diamonds were first mined in India. These were only few of the achievements. There are many more till date and many more to come. The new India is coming out as a global example, growing face of power, an illustration of advancements, and self-sufficiency being the power of its independent identity. The new India has let itself free on every platform, making and setting new records to its name, be it sports or healthcare or technology and economic advancements. It is making progress in every field. Unquestionably, there are many challenges such as population, environmental degradation, poverty of rural people, corruption, backwardness, etc. But these challenges are opportunities too. All the challenges can easily be overcome provided the entire manpower and resources are utilized and used optimally under the right guidance of dedicated leaders. We can contribute to the making of New India by being excellent in our respective fields of actions. Besides being perfect in our fields, we must be ideal citizens. Each of us must do our job and responsibilities perfectly. We together can make our new India the best India. A very happy Independence Day to all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you and have a wonderful day.